Philippine Eagle and face over there.
Everyone, this is Philippine Eagle Sinag. Sinag is our youngest Philippine Eagle here at the center. He is already 4 years old. He just turned 4 last December, right?
That's right. And
Sinag is, and his line is a meter tall and has a wingspan of 2 meters. That is the broadest and largest in the world.
that's right. And they can only be found in 4 islands in our country. That would be Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao.
In addition to that, the Philippine eagles are monogamous species, meaning to say they only have one partner for life. And in the wild, they only hatch one egg, or they only lay one egg every 2 years.
That's right. Now, speaking of egg, the egg hatches in 56 days here at the Philippine Eagle Center since we have an incubation laboratory, that building over there. You can check it out later. But in the wild, it hatches in 60 days.
60 days, right? See how it flies?
Yeah, so Sinag is also adopted by Philippine Airlines. Alright.
That's right.
So did you guys take a video of Sinag flying, or are you guys good already, or do you want one more?
One more.
One more.
One more. Okay, can we do that?
Alright, well, lucky for us, because Sinag will be flying again. Everyone, please prepare your cameras for taking good pictures and videos, and please turn your heads and face over there. Now, the Philippine Eagles formerly called it the monkey-eating eagle, right?
That's right. Because when they were discovered, they were holding a monkey, but they also eat other animals like the lemurs, bats, and even small birds.
Alright, everyone,
One more time for Sinag. There you go. Thank you so much, Sinag, for showing us that amazing wingspan. Yun. Well, do you think that the Philippine eagles are majestic birds of prey? So do you agree that you have to take care of them?
but sadly though, the Philippine eagles are now in critically endangered status according to the IUCN. That is because of hunting and deforestation that makes their kind decrease.
That's right. And they are also now 400 pairs left in the wild, so they are under the critically endangered status already. And we believe that the best people to protect our forests are the indigenous peoples communities that live around the nesting sites of our birds, because most, if not some of these ancestral domains of these areas are part of their ancestral domains. And we believe that when we empower these partner IB communities, they are able to participate in our conservation work, at the same time benefit from it. And through that important partnership the Philippine Eagle Foundation has with these partner IB communities, they are able to save the Philippine eagles and the forests, and that would secure a better future for everyone.
That's right. That's why here at the Philippine Eagle Center, we are taking a stand against the extinction of our national birds. We need to save our eagles. We need to protect our forests to secure a better future. So are you guys with us?
Okay, that's a bit not so loud, but are you guys with us? Yes. That's great. So everyone say goodbye to Luana and Sinag.
Thank you, Luana and Sina.
There you go. Sinag seems pleased by everyone's love and support for him and his fellow Philippine Eagles. I think it's time for...
Good job.
There you go. So what did Ross Harrop just do, Steph?
What did you do?
Nasa mo sa akin eh. So everyone, look how Ross... Steph, okay, poop donkey. I'm confused. You mentioned that this is Brahmini kite, Brahmi, and that's Brahmini kite Halia, but they look so different.
Yes, because Halia over there is already an adult Brahmini kite compared to Brahmi over there.
There you go. Everybody meet one of our juvenile Kinskers Hawk Eagle named Ross Carrock, named after her adopter, the Calgary Ross Carrock community.